Okinawa has launched a new electric scooter called the Okinawa Dual, and it will cost nearly 60,000 rupees. Okinawa plans to invest 150 crore rupees in setting up a new manufacturing plant in Rajasthan, and it targets selling 100,000 units in the next financial year. The Okinawa Dual can be loaded with cargo at the front as well as at the rear. It will have a curb weight of 75 kgs, a top speed of 25 km per hour, which means no need for license or registration. It will have a 48 volt 55 amp hour, that is 2.64 kilowatt hour battery pack. It will have 20 kilometers range and 200 kilogram load carrying capacity. It can charge up to 80% in 1.5 hours. Okinawa is also offering accessories like delivery boxes and cold storage containers. 96% of the Dual is going to be localized, and Okinawa aims to make this 100% by April 2021. Mr. Jitendra Sharma, Managing Director and Founder, Okinawa Autotech, said, and I quote, "With our new electric two-wheeler Okinawa Dual, we aim to electrify last mile delivery for businesses in India. Marking our entry into the B2B EV segment, Dual is a one-of-a-kind scooter that is set to disrupt the market. The company also plans to invest rupees 150 crore in setting up a new manufacturing unit in Rajasthan." Mr. Sharma said, and I quote, "The new facility will have an annual capacity of 5 to 6 lakh units in the first phase and can go up to 10 lakh units in the future," end quote. The Okinawa Dual looks very similar to the DEXPRESS Mettle cargo scooter that we did a video on a couple of months back. The link will be provided in the description. Do check it out. However, there are some serious internal differences between the two scooters. The Okinawa has a 48 volt system, whereas the Mettle has a 60 volt system. Also, the DEXPRESS scooter had a killer component that the Dual does not have, and that is a Bosch motor. The DEXPRESS had a color LCD display, while the Dual display seems to be standard stuff. It seems to us that Okinawa has changed the battery, motor, controller, switches, LCD and wire harness to reduce costs. While the Okinawa sells the Dual at rupees 58,000, the DEXPRESS Mettle retails at 71 to 78,000. Okinawa has excellent experience in the individual consumer space, but the cargo loader space is an entirely different beast. So it remains to be seen how Okinawa's service and support systems cope with the extra rigor being put on their EVs. Nevertheless, we wish the Okinawa team the best of luck.